Hello, Business 330 online students. This is Professor Hassey, and welcome to our online business finance class for this fall session 1, 2023. My name is Rick Hassey. I'll be your instructor this 8 weeks of our class, and this is an introduction video to our class. A little bit out of the norm for our weekly class. Today is Monday, August 21st, the first day of our class, and this introductory video is to introduce you to the course. And then tomorrow, Tuesday, I will have a course lecture video for you to review. And then on Saturday morning, I will post a follow-up review video every Saturday. So this first week, there are 3 videos, but usually and always during the course of the remaining 7 weeks, you'll have a video on Monday and a video on Saturday to help you with your studies and assignments. Again, this is an online class. There are no classrooms, no remote sessions. You do not have to see me in a class setting. It's all online. It's your responsibility of looking at the videos and the information that I provide. And that's why I'm doing this introductory video. What I'd like you to do this first week is get to know Blackboard. Get to know our course syllabus. Get to know the dates of responsibility in this class. One of the biggest challenges of online education, if you're not already used to it, is to getting engaged and staying engaged in the work and the discussions every week in the course. You got to stay on top of it. I'm here to help you. So this class is designed to teach corporate finance in an online setting. So what I would like you to do is to get used to Blackboard. Here's our Blackboard site. Click on this file folder, course syllabus. There's our syllabus. I've already sent 2 emails to you during the course of the last week to get the syllabus, but if you did not review it, here's a PDF and a Word doc version that you can download to your computer. Here's the important dates of our class. We'll talk about this in our lecture video tomorrow, but you have an assignment this week. It's already posted to the discussion forum. Student bio and portfolio presentation. You got another assignment and a Zoom meeting with me next week, and so on. So this course is designed to be quick, 8 weeks, and to cover an awful lot of material. So get familiar for your time management skills. When to spend a few hours every week on videos and content. If you have an assignment due this week, spending time and effort to prepare that assignment that's due every Sunday. And here's the detail of those assignments and that work during the course of the week and the course. If you need resources, click on University Information, and there's resources for you as a student at La Verne. If you need tech support, since all your work is done on a computer, here are resources at the university to help you with Blackboard and tech support. And here's my mugshot. I will have office hours every Thursday evening from 6 to 8 o'clock where you can come on with this Zoom link and chat with me, ask me questions. For many of you, this is be the only time you actually see me live in class in Zoom. Now, in week 2, and I'll talk more about this later, week 2, each one of you are going to be making an appointment with me to review the material of this course individually. And I'll talk more about that as this first week goes on. But there's the link to my Zoom hours where you can come and ask questions. There's my phone number where you can send me a text. There's my email address where you can be in contact with me. Make sure you're aware of those areas. So that's our course schedule. Here's the discussion forum for this first week. A section on if you have any questions. You can just click on this and send me, create a thread and ask me a question. And I check this every night if students have any questions. Here's our assignment that's worth 10% of your course grade this first week, due Sunday. I want you to create a thread and tell me a little bit about yourself. I want you to create a thread and put together a spreadsheet portfolio of stock to be purchased on Friday, August 25th by you. $100,000. And again, I'll talk more about this in my Tuesday course lecture video. But get to know these things right away. Our course is set up week 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, where you click on that week. There's our learning assignments for the week, what you're responsible for. And there's the link to information. There's a sample of the portfolio you'll have to do. There's a PowerPoint, which will be my lecture on Tuesday. And here's information to help you about our course, Chapter 1 and the PowerPoint, Chapter 2 and the PowerPoint. All information to help you week by week by week in our class. And then this week, also the first week, how about me? How about this? I'm wearing a tie tonight. Get to know our course syllabus. What are your responsibilities? What you need to do? How do I assess this class? Here's our textbook. Now, this textbook is a good thing to have in your studying and research for this class, but it is not required. You don't have to buy it. You can get a digital version for your computer. You can rent it. You don't have to buy it. And you don't even have to do any of those other two things if you want to just take the risk of using our Blackboard and all the material I have there to cover the topics that I will be doing. And it is all there. But you don't have the luxury of having a textbook that you can refer to. So it's your responsibility to decide, should I get a textbook or not? Here's how I'll grade the class. 4 assignments, each worth 15% of your grade. The first 2 weeks discussion forums. Week 1, the portfolio and the bio. Week 2, a student meeting with yours truly. And the final examination worth a quarter of your grade given during the last week of our class. The assignments practice for the final. The review problems we review that you do not have to do, but the problems we review every week and specifically in my Saturday videos, that helps you with the assignments. Descriptions of our class and our work, your responsibilities, my responsibilities, academic honesty, and I'll talk more about that as we get closer to our assignments. The vision and the values of the University of La Verne, and then the links of sites to help you. Counseling services, student health services, campus safety. Even though you're not on campus, they still are there for you. Academic Success Center, which is tutoring for this class if you need it. Food pantry if you're food challenged, which many students are. All services and help that you can get to help you. It is all on the syllabus. So take some time this week to look at that. Our goal of this class is to learn capital management, to learn how companies raise money. And we do that by producing or having 2 videos for you to review each week. My lecture video on Mondays, which this first week it's on Tuesday, and my follow-up review video on Saturday mornings. That's your responsibility to get engaged with the data, and its backup is provided in Blackboard. I also have a YouTube site where all these videos are in one location, and I'll talk more about that in my lecture video on Tuesday. So again, make sure you're ready to go. We're getting engaged quickly. We have assessed work this week, and I look forward to working with you all this fall session. Again, my name is Rick Hassey. I've been an instructor at Laverne for over 35 years. I've been a business owner for over 40 years, investment banking, and I'm here to guide you through the wild and wacky world of financial management and corporate finance. So welcome everybody. Look forward to working with you. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you on the internet tomorrow, Tuesday, August 22nd. Until then, adios.